If you're using Linux Mint and you want to change the display settings, there's three ways to do it. One, you can go down to the menu here, you go to Preferences, and you can find Display there. Or you can go to the menu and just type in Display and that'll pop up. Or the easier way is just right click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. In here it will identify which monitor you're using. Here there's only one, and you can choose all the available resolutions. And here is the interface scaling. Push 100 and everything will get quite a bit smaller to fit more on the screen. If you like that, push Keep Changes, and if you want to go back to what it was, press Revert. Now if you want something in between these, you can go up to the top right, click Settings, and enable fractional scaling controls. And if we want to scale the content down, then say 150%, press Apply, and then it will do 150. If this didn't show up or something went all wonky and you can't see anything, just wait for this timer to run out, and when it does, it will revert back to the way it was. Wait a couple seconds here and it'll show you that. See, it went back to 200%, and that is in case something gets really wrong and you just can't click or see anything, then it will go back to what it was. If you're not going to use those scaling controls, I recommend just keeping that off. That's how you adjust the display settings. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please consider subscribing. Have a good day.